Hello.
Welcome. Oh.
Welcome to our Wanderers Wednesday update of everything that's happening on our van conversion this week. And obviously, as per usual, if anybody's watching this new, the full version of what we're about to waffle on about, you'll be able to see on Sunday at 7 o'clock in the morning when the video goes live. We've been doing this for a long time now. You think I'd remember?
Yeah.
But I don't.
So, first things first. A few weeks ago, we were asking for your help with a name. We had loads of amazing suggestions, some random, some really good, really thoughtful ones. Yeah. Yeah, we had a good chat about all of those, and we got down to a short list of 7 names, which has been really good. So we popped that out again on socials, chatted to a few people, and yeah, we thought we'd go through the 7 names and why we are or not. No, I don't know what I'm trying to say.
What are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say why we will or won't choose it.
Just say what we've decided.
Do you think?
Yeah. So originally, we did have a name lined up for this van, and we were set on it, and it was great. And then, without going into too much details, a few weeks ago, there was something happened in the news, in the press, and we could no longer name it this name because somebody did something that wasn't very good.
Well, we don't know that.
We don't know that, allegedly. So we could no longer call it that name. So that's why we went to ask people what it was.
Yeah.
So why is naming a van so hard?
I don't know, but we did have a name and we tried it out, but we just couldn't didn't call it that anyway. So, drum roll.
Drum roll.
Drum roll.
Can't do drum roll.
Meet.
Our new van's name is
Nessa. Vanessa Shanessa Jenkins.
Vanessa Shanessa Jenkins. Yeah, so Nessa, or Van Nessa for long, as in Van Nessa, but it's Nessa.
But equally, we are huge fans of Gavin and Stacey. We'll put a link into our Barry Island visit.
Barry Island vlog, where we went and visited all the sights and sounds of Barry Island and Gavin and Stacey. Another reason why we've called it Nessa is because obviously it's a Welsh thing, kind of a bit of a tenuous link here. The Welsh are kind of associated with things like daffodils, dragons and leeks. And this, as anybody who's watched lots of our videos will know, this has been, it's not anymore, but it has been a very leaky van.
Yep.
More leaks.
More leaks. And also, without even realising it, our very first trip was to Wales.
Oh yeah.
So there we go.
Yeah, so
I don't even know if Vanessa is a Welsh name, but clearly in Gavin and Stacey, Nessa is very Welsh.
Yeah. So we like the name Nessa.
There we go.
So this is our van Nessa.
Van Nessa.
So
it's funny. I like it when you say that. Here is our van Nessa.
So in this week's vlog, which again you can catch on Sunday at 7, you'll see us starting the process of fitting our shower. We now completely understand why lots of people don't have a shower in their van, because we found it an absolute pig-in nightmare.
Yeah, but the 3rd shower tray has arrived, and you will see us getting that into place.
Yeah.
And it does work. Spoiler alert, it does work.
It does work. We've got it fixed in place. We drill the hole for the drain, for the shower drain, and start to think about doing the plumbing. But as per usual, anything I do outside in the van, underneath the van, involves rain, because it rains every time I do anything, so I get filthy and dirty. You never seem to. I don't even get cups of tea or anything. It's terrible. I have to go and make my own all the time. So you'll see us doing that. We're obviously back from our trip from Wales now, so we've talked about all the modifications we want to make. So there's a little bit of tweaking for the mattresses, which we still haven't decided on how to do that properly yet. I still think my way is the best way.
Yep. Okay. But Sunday's video, like plumbing, like we have...
Hate plumbing.
Well, in our house, we've changed showers, you fix the kitchen tap,
sinks,
that kind of thing, but we've never fully plumbed anything in. And why don't the bits just all fit together properly? Why do they bend and go in really weird directions? Why? I don't get it. One day we went to like 5 shops and got back. Sorted, got back.
Nah,
flipping things didn't even fit together. And then it was just a nightmare, just an absolute flipping nightmare. You thought you worked out the waste, and then it was too high, didn't fit under the van. Nightmare.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you've got all that to come on Sunday. Lots to look forward to, because we still haven't quite solved it yet in terms of the plumbing, but I'm sure we'll get there eventually.
We cracked on with, you come up with a really good idea for measuring how much water, because when we were away in Wales we didn't know how much water we had left.
Yeah.
So Steve's come up with a little way of working out how much water's in the tank.
Yep.
We cracked on with some more woodwork cabinets in.
You've done loads. Cheryl's done loads of painting.
Yep.
And
I think we found a solution for the ceiling.
oh yeah, we've got a plan for the ceiling now. So we got to work that one out still.
Yeah,
but
we stumbled across
some stuff.
something in Wicks, didn't we?
Yeah, this really lightweight black plasticky material, which is obviously used in the building trade for something really important, and lots of you will probably know what it is, but we haven't got a clue. But we found it. It was really cheap. It was only a £5 a sheet, basically the same size as a plywood sheet. And it weighs literally nothing.
We think it's going to work out okay and be easy to fix up for our sort of black background and then strip wood, we think. But we haven't got that far yet.
And my hint is, do your ceiling early in your van build. Get it done and out of the way. It would be so much easier.
It would.
But
however, we just wanted to use the van.
We wanted to use the van, and we didn't know what we were doing, so we ignored it and left it. And then we'll come back to it at a later date. But we'll get there.
We'll get there.
Get there in the end.
We will get there.
Yeah. So this is obviously our weekly update. See the whole thing on Sunday. Thank you very much. If you haven't, ding the bell, like and subscribe for notifications from YouTube.
Yeah, and drop us a comment, anything you want to know, anything you've seen us using, just ask. Even if we're not 100% sure, we'll kind of try and steer you in the right direction. Very good at finding you the links if we've bought it off Amazon.
There's a link below as well. Cheekily, if you want to buy us a coffee, that'll be absolutely wonderful. Don't forget, I'm Decaf. And
he has to make it himself.
I have to make it himself all the time.
Yeah.
Shocking horror. Bless you. Anything else to say?
No, just appreciate everybody who's come and joined our channel. We're up to 2,000 subscribers.
Heading towards 2,000 subscribers, aren't we?
We've got 2,000 subscribers.
We've got 2,000 subscribers. Oh, thank you very much. Celebrate. Woo!
Yeah, 2,000.
Should have bought some confetti things.
Oh, I wonder what you should have bought some poo.
They're like them cannon things you set off, and loads of glitter come out.
Oh, okay.
Or some pathetic little party poppers. And
then you cry because you've got a Hoover and they get
don't cry because you've got a Hoover. Why would you cry because you've got a Hoover?
Well, you do it for New Year, don't you? And then you end up with it.
Oh, that's half the fun, isn't it?
Yeah, we digress again.
For those of you who are still here watching this amazing, fascinating show.
Yeah. So, thank you so much for watching.
Yep.
And we hope you like our name of our van, Nessa. And
we'll catch you next time.
We'll catch you. Tune in on Sunday. And if you're interested in any of our previous travels, they're all on the channel as well.
Cheers. Thanks very much. Bye.